Wow, this is really big.
Right?
Oh my gosh. That's amazing. Yeah.
I want to record.
Okay. It's really big. Wow. It's so clear too.
Go, John. I'm okay.
We're recording you.
3, 2, 1, go.
Nice. Woo! Yep. Yep. Oh. Okay. Good? Is that Zion? Huh? Alright. Here we go. Instant problems.
Instant problem?
I'm gonna tighten up my
Okay.
my goggles.
Hold on.
No, I'm good. I just need to go tighten them.
And then sometimes if you're like sucking it too hard, then you can like get underneath. Feeling out for you, right? Heel gainer.
Did you? How did he land?
I kind of landed with my feet and then it was like that. Wait, Austin, do you have a little float device for your camera and like the ball?
Yeah, see it on my back?
That's sick. This guy's kidding.
Alright. Woo, this is high. Alright, might need to tighten these up a little bit. Fear of heights, who says so? I'm just doing a pencil. Here we go. Look at my That didn't work very well.
Okay, so you have to do this really thing. You probably have to tighten it a lot so it can stay on.
Yeah, I think so.
But yeah, it's probably have to get the leg up. Diving.
Get all the circulation off my head.
It's supposed to be the craziest shit, the most least coordinated and Bon. Is it?
I wonder if these float actually. No, they don't really float.
Honestly, the light doesn't do much. Sorry about that.
It feels much higher when you get up there.
You go for a dive? It's in the corner.
Oh, he's going a backflip. Oh, sheesh. That was great. I don't think I can follow up anything with that.
You twist and you land on that.
Do it until it doesn't hurt anymore. I think it was your revolve you smoke a pack. The Nicaragua? Right? It's all the Nicaragua.
GoPro, start recording. Can you film me too?
Yeah, it's filming.
It's filming? Okay. Oh god, I'm scared. Woo! No, I'm just diving.
Don't dive head first.
No?
You're going head first.
Why?
No, his camera's not gonna like go to shit because he has a little floaty.
Oh, is that why you're scared because it'll fall off?
I think that's gonna be too much of an impact.
On the GoPro? Really? I know, you just gotta keep them tucked, right?
Clean.
Oh, now you're making me nervous now. I think I'll be okay. I think I'll be okay. All right, someone come save me if I'm knocked out. All right, here we go. Wow.
Oh, you know.
Is it? Is it bleeding? Oh shoot.
Oh no.
I mean, that's okay, that's just a little cat, but...
Didn't even feel it.
It does probably his nose.
Yeah, it's kind of. It was more of an impact than I expected. Honestly, it's like a 3 out of 10. Like, it's not bad. But I think it's because of the adrenaline too. I'm like excited, you know?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. Got a little battle wound.